All salad needs cleaning before dressing by plunging into cold water and then shaking off the excess water, or ideally spinning in a salad spinner so that the dressing isn't diluted. Now in this dressing I've got olive oil and sunflower oil as a mix, cider vinegar, mustard, some parsley and some sugar whisked together, and that's as simple as that. Now there's thousands of recipes out there for dressings, but they all come back to this simple principle of a ratio of oil and acid. Okay, 1 part acid and 2 to 3 parts oil. Okay, now the acid might be vinegar, it might be balsamic, it might be cider vinegar, sherry vinegar, it might be citrus juice, any sort of acid that you're using. And the oil might be sesame oil, sunflower oil, olive oil. You tend to use a mix of olive oil and another oil to tone it down a bit. The dressing just of olive oil can be a little bit overpowering. The simplest dressing is obviously balsamic and olive oil, which is quite nice, but there's also hundreds of composite dressing recipes out there as well. The important thing is that the salad's dressed last minute, just before you're ready to serve it, so that the salad doesn't break down and become soggy.